Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also the bell beside the subscribe button, and I always recommend that you press it. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I've uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. All right. Also, right underneath there is a thumbs up. If you are watching on the YouTube platform, I appreciate so much that you take the time to hit that thumbs up if you're enjoying my content. That is important for the growth of a YouTuber on YouTube. All right. Today, I'm really excited to share with you, I got in the IPSY Plus bag for the month of April of 2021. This is their middle range bag. It is the one that everyone says competes against the BoxyCharm base box because it's 5 full size items for $25. The difference is in IPSY is these bags all come with one of these fantastic little bags that have the drawstrings that are not included in the count of the 5 items. All right? Okay, so they also put a card in, and in the Plus, they usually don't have the information about the products in here, but they do, what I do is I take the information off the website once I know what's going to be in my bag so that I can share with you the costs and all that ahead of time. I make sure that I have all my notes, so when I receive the package, I open it up, make sure everything that's in there that should be in there and that everything is in good condition. I try to remove any excess packaging so that we can talk about it quickly here as we go through this, because I do not do edits. I sit down, I talk to you guys like I'm talking to a friend, and then I only rewatch it back when you guys are watching it too. So once I do all that, I sit down here, I pull out the notes that I did prepare when I did the customization and the orders, and then everything sits on this desk, and when the box arrives, that's when I sit down and I go through everything with you, but it's like as if I'm going through everything for the first time. Inside the card here, they have always, if there's no message in here about what the products are, they usually have some really good information. Today's card has about 5 skin-friendly superfoods. They tell you that grapes are good for fine lines, avocados are good for dry skin, sweet potatoes are good for acne-prone skin, chia seeds are good for sensitive skin, and leafy greens for your all-over glow. And then they give you some information about the Glam X, which you will see on my channel. The first Glam X was over the top. If you haven't seen that, I'll try to link that video down below. I was so blown away. It's still taking my breath away with what was in that first bag. Keeping my fingers crossed on this one. The few sneaks that they've mentioned, there's going to be some Charlotte Tilbury and things like that. Brands that are just fantastic. And that one, I think they did a collab with Khloe Kardashian. So it's going to be the products that her favorites are, because the first one was a collaboration with Patrick Ta, who actually had a cosmetic brand. So really, really excited to see what they have in store for us. And like I said, I'll link that first video down below. All right. In this bag, you get to choose 3 items out of the 5. And the first one that was chosen for me by IPSY is a product that I've had the opportunity to try before, and it's one that I really, really enjoyed and one that I recommend. This brand, Dr. Botanicals, every single product that I've tried of theirs, I have really, really enjoyed and seen results. This one is their Lemon Superfood All-in-One Rescue Butter. It has a value of $16. This is, like I said, full size because everything in this bag is. It is a moisturizer. They're saying it is a multi-use, high-performance butter, deeply moisturizes even the driest skin types with a combo of nutrient-dense coconut oil, almond oil, sea fruit oil, and grapeseed oil. They're saying your skin will leave it smooth and soft and rejuvenated from head to toe. You could rub into clean skin, including the face and the body. And they're saying it's made with 96% natural ingredients. They're also saying that Dr. Botanicals is an apothecary, and it brings together science and superfoods to create innovative, natural, and vegan-friendly skincare treatments. And this is a very thick cream. I'm not opening this up because I'm not sure if this is gonna go into a giveaway or to a family member, because I've already had the opportunity to try this and I really, really enjoyed it. The next item that's in here is one that I'm really excited to get because I've had the opportunity to get a couple of brushes from this brand that was new to me. And now this is the full eyeshadow. And this one is called their No. 7 collection. There's also a promo code on this if you choose to order it from their website. So I will leave those codes in the description box down below with all this other information that I'm sharing with you here, the name, the product, as well as what the actual value is. This they're saying is a $30 value. They're saying it is 5 brushes. They're saying of course they're full size. And they're saying considering this set as your essential tools in your makeup bag, it includes an illuminator brush for highlighting, a contouring, a crease brush for shading your lids, a concealer brush for spot treatment, a double-ended brow brush for grooming, and a tapered blending brush for your eyes and your face. You can mix and match these brushes to complete your entire makeup look. Each brush is made with a lightweight bamboo handle and 100% synthetic bristles. They're saying about the brand strives to design and create high quality products that are accessible to everyone. And this is what this looks like here. So we're just gonna pull one out so that we can see what information is on the brushes. The actual name of the brush is on here, which is great. It says it's a tapered blending brush. They're saying this one that I pulled out is number 7. And again, the brand is Beau Gachis. And this is what this looks like here. It feels very beautiful. And this is what the whole brush looks like. It's very, very soft to the touch. Like I said, I've had the opportunity to try a couple of brushes from this brand, and I have been very impressed. The next item in here is from HEYHONEY. Now we're getting into, I think, a few of my choices. So they give you a selection of usually 4 or 5 items per each section, and then you get to choose one of those that you can in between. The one that I chose is from HEYHONEY. HEYHONEY is a brand that I've had the opportunity to try a couple of their products, and I really, really enjoyed them. And it's usually a more expensive brand, so I'm really excited that we have the opportunity in these $12 IPSY bags that we get to try and experiment with a lot of brands and products that are high-end. So this is the box that it comes in, and this is the tube, and it says open your eyes to a contour lifting serum. There's also a discount promo code on here, but the value of this on its own is $37, and it's an eye serum. They're saying it is lightweight yet incredibly powerful. It is a serum that contains a blend of squalene, honey, green tea extract to help tighten, brighten, smooth, and depuff your eye area. You could use it on tired mornings for a wide awake look or prep your eyes for concealer. You can use this morning and night, massage a small amount under or around your eyes, and they're saying it's cruelty-free and made without parabens or phthalates. And they're saying the products are infused with honey, and one of the most potent antiseptics and antibacterial ingredients on the planet. And they always remind us that that's a fave of the Queen Cleopatra. And so this is what it looks like here. There's no safety seal on this, but it has that fine what I call like a spout. So what I do is I always choose to put a little bit on my ring finger, which is how I've always been taught to use eye creams and serums. And then they're saying you take a pea-sized amount, and then you go and tap in between those 2 fingers, and then you rub it in around your orbital bone, and then it will migrate up. If you go too close, you'll end up with those runny eyes, and then whatever I have left over, I end up putting in the 11 lines. So this is a serum. It feels very lightweight, and really excited to have the opportunity to try another product from HEYHONEY. The next one was one that I've heard a little bit about. I don't know enough about this brand to tell you anything more, but I'm so intrigued about this. It is called NUE Co. This is called the Pill All-in-One Serum. There's also a promo code on this. This is an $85 value. They're saying it's 30 ml, and this is their full size, and it is a face serum. They're saying it is a topical supplement that provides your skin with key ingredients like hydrating hyaluronic acid and a soothing tiger grass. It needs to look and feel its best. In the morning, you can massage 1 or 2 pumps into clean, dry skin, let it fully absorb before applying moisturizer. It's vegan, cruelty-free, and all natural. And they're saying the NUE Co. is a blend of science and natural innovations to deliver effective yet gentle solutions. So, because I am new to this brand, let's see. Yeah, it has a lock that if you turn the top part, it will lock into place, which I love, because when you're traveling, you know that how important that is. And it is not a runny serum at all, so it's nice because they're saying it is a combination of a few, but as soon as you tap into it, it immediately becomes like a liquid formula. Let me see if there's a scent. I don't think there's a scent to this. No, it just smells a little bit, you can smell like the tiger grass and a little medicinal. but otherwise it's really, really faint. So really, really excited to have the opportunity to try this. I love when there are these all-in-one serums, because on the days when I don't want to do like all the layers, you know, from the essence to the serums to the moisturizers, a lot of times I'll just put in these type of serums that are considered all-in-one, and if I'm not like going to be putting makeup on or anything, and that's how I get to see how the benefits are just from one product. So really excited to, like I said, an $85 product. Could not wait to try that. The next one is a brand that I also got introduced to, and this brand, I think I got introduced to on BoxyCharm, but now that they're under the same umbrella, we're getting to see some of the fantastic brands that were always only available through BoxyCharm. We're now seeing them in IPSY and vice versa, which is absolutely fantastic. This is from Avon Skincare. It is an expensive brand, and a lot of their products come out in the exact same packaging. So be very careful to read exactly what you're getting, because their moisturizer, their night creams, all that stuff, which I saw fantastic results from. I always have to double check what is the tube that I have, and I'm placing them now in different areas because, like I said, they all look the same. This one is called the Pro Perfecting Collagen Touche Eclat Primer. And Touche Eclat was one of the YSL brands that I used to purchase for myself and treat myself, because that was also expensive. It was an eye brightener. So really excited that this is the primer from this brand. They also have a discount of 25%, which I will leave down below. They're saying the value of this is $122. They're saying it is full size, it is a primer, and they're saying a few drops of this primer will make your makeup wear flawlessly for hours. It softens rough patches to create a smooth, even canvas for your liquid and powder products. Plus, it's infused with collagen to plump fine lines and boost your skin's elasticity. After moisturizing, apply a small amount to your skin in circular motions, waiting for it to completely dry, and then follow with a foundation. It's cruelty-free and never tested on animals. And they're saying about this brand, it works with the best scientists and pharmacists around the world to find delicate and rare ingredients to nourish, restore, reinforce the structure of your function of your skin. So this has already, that other serum, you're still seeing it look shiny, compared, like, but my hand is completely dry. Like it's like really dry. So it feels moisturized and it feels hydrated. It's not sticky to the touch, but it's penetrated into my skin is what I'm trying to say. End of the day, I'm really tired. Okay, this is what this looks like here. There is a safety seal, and this here, we're gonna just take a little bit out and see what this looks like, because $122, I don't want to waste it. So we'll see what this looks like. But like I said, I've had the opportunity to try other products from this Avant Skincare, and I have really enjoyed it. So it has like a lotiony effect to it, and I'm putting it on top of that other serum that already, like I said, penetrated into the skin. I should smell it from here, because now I have, but I still don't smell anything on my hand, even with the other product on it. Nothing at all. So let me just, no. So like I said, I am over the moon with this bag. I have been enjoying IPSY so much. It has introduced me to so many products that were always products that I read about in my magazines and things like that, that are now ending up in my home at a price of $25. That one item more than pays for the bag. You know, you buy a mascara and a lipstick, and that's $25. So the fact that we get to try such high-end skincare, it blows my mind every month. So I always look forward to receiving my monthly subscription boxes. It is such a treat for me, and I really have been enjoying and seeing the benefits of all these products that we're able to try and test. So once again, what we got in here was from Dr. Botanicals. We got the Superfood Rescue Butter. We then received the beautiful brushes from this brand that's new to me, only because I've only had the opportunity to try a couple of them, but it's a brand that I'm gonna have to remember the name. It's called Beau Gachis. And then we have the HEYHONEY Eye Contouring Lifting Serum. We then got this fantastic brand called NUE Co. And if you read any of the higher end skincare magazines, or like any of the magazines, this brand is now the up and coming that they're all talking about. So the fact that it's in an IPSY bag blows my mind. And then again, another product from Avon Skincare, which is a primer that I cannot wait to enjoy as well. So that's everything that I received in my IPSY Plus for April 2021. And of course, the cutest bag ever. And I love the pattern on this. And these bags become essentials to me, because I put a lot of things in here, and these are fantastic when you're traveling, when you want to separate things. It's just, these are fantastic little bags. And that's everything that I got. So As always, as you know, I appreciate so much that you guys take any time out of your day that you choose to spend it with me here, so thank you. Please leave in the comments down below if you received any of these products, because mine's coming a little later in the month. Hopefully some of you got some of the same products and you've had the opportunity to try them. So please share that in the comments down below, because that's my lifeline to you, and we all read the comments under True Wants to learn more, because if I haven't used it, maybe you have, and so on and so forth. All right, once again, like I always mention at the end of every single video, it is so important that we all continue to stay safe, that we can all stay well, and then we can all start to enjoy a little more and a little more. Once again, take care everybody, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.